So, still here at Ko'olina at the Marriott. I wish I could live here. This place is super expensive. I'm sure you guys have met my little brother. Anyways, let's get back to enjoying the rest of the resort and I'll get some more shots for you guys. See ya. What I love about this place. You know what that reminds me of? It reminds me of one of those meditation tracks or those sleeping CDs that you buy and then you could just crash out. That's what this sounds like. So now it's a new day. We're gonna take my family around the islands, just let them sightsee a bit. It should be fun. And I'm gonna take you along with me. You ready? Let's do it! Okay, first stop, Nama Bay. First stop, Panama Bay. Next stop, Makapu'u. We are at the Makapu'u lookout, and I could tell they're already getting tired. So we'll probably stop by the macadamia nut farm, and then we'll head back to the resort. So what, you guys get your picture?
Yes. Yeah. Boy, you know that picture over there, the rocks, looks like a shape of a whale.
Right now, we are by Diamond Head. That's the tip of the crater, and you can check out that video right over here. See the red light? So they couldn't exactly make it all the way around the island, but at least we got to take them for the most part to get some pictures and sightsee a bit. So it is what it is.
Just like we're having a party.
Back at the resort, we're gonna hang out here the rest of the evening, and then I don't know, more to come tomorrow, I suppose. See you guys later.